I was so frustrated with earbuds that would constantly fall out when I was running or working out. I even lost one under a machine and never found it again. And that was the moment I was done dealing with cheap fit issues. These Moto Buds completely changed that for me, and not just the fit, but the entire listening experience. If you've ever had earbuds slip out mid-workout or struggle with sound that just feels flat, stick with me until the end so you can see what makes these so different. These are the Motorola Moto Buds Loop with sound by Bose, and they also feature Swarovski crystals in Ice Melt Blue. So they're functionally, but also honestly really pretty and unique. You get 12mm ironless drivers, which makes the sound super clear, rich, and immersive. Everything from podcasts to music feels more alive and detailed. They also have spatial sound, which makes it feel like the audio is surrounding you instead of just sitting in your ears. It's one of those upgrades you didn't realize you needed until you hear it. I love that they connect through Smart Connect technology, so switching between devices is seamless. No complicated setup, no frustration, just tap and go. And the best part for me, they actually stay in place. I can run, lift weights, no constant adjusting, no worrying they'll fall out. The pause and play button right on the earbud makes everything easy too. I don't have to pull out my phone every time I want to skip a song or pause something. People have actually stopped me and asked about them because of the design. The crystals give them that elevated, stylish look. And I always end up telling them I genuinely use and love them. They completely fixed my problem of earbuds falling out, poor sound quality, and frustration during workouts by giving me a secure fit, crystal clear audio, and easy control all in one. Check them out today. You'll be so glad you did.